Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to introduce you to the basics of English calligraphy. There are many different scripts in English calligraphy, and each script has its own unique style. Now, I'm going to introduce you to a very simple and practical calligraphy script. It is called Business Penmanship. Business Penmanship. The name is too long and complicated, so we usually abbreviate it to BP. That's a good name. Let's take a look at this script. The stroke thickness of BP is uniform. That means the stroke thickness doesn't require any change. So I think it is not very difficult. As for the choice of pen, a ballpoint pen is okay. We don't need a dip pen, although it is more professional and it looks very cool. Just kidding. To be honest, if you practice calligraphy scripts with varying stroke thickness, like OPESER, you should still use a dip pen. I'll talk about these scripts in detail in my upcoming episodes. Oh, sorry, I got off track. Let's get back to BP. It is a not only simple but also beautiful script. The letters are joined up together. This script flows smoothly and naturally. Alright, let's take a look at what BP looks like when written.
Alright, I'm going to write a poem now. This poem was created by the American poet Langston Hughes. When it comes to writing in BP script, I personally prefer using plain papers. But for beginners, I don't recommend to start with plain papers. It is best to use lined papers for beginners. In this way, it can be written more neatly. After mastering the basic skills, then you can use whatever paper you like. Business penmanship is often used for writing letters, so I think this script is really very practical. But during exams, I don't recommend using this script for writing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer. I'm still learning, so if there are any areas where I could improve, I'd greatly appreciate your feedback and guidance. Thank you. Alright, I'll go ahead and finish writing this poem. Okay, mission accomplished.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click on the bell for notifications. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.